Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to check the status of your loan applications on Bright. After applying for a loan through Bright, it's important to know how to track its progress. So let me show you what to do. First, open the Bright app and sign into your account using your credentials. And then, from the dashboard, tap on the Loans section. You're going to see a list of your active and pending applications. Find the one that you recently submitted. Tap on the loan entry to view its current application status. The status will show one of the following: submitted, which means that your application has been received; under review, which means Bright is accessing your details; approved, which means your loan has been accepted; or denied, which means the loan didn't meet the criteria. There's also more info needed, which means that Bright needs additional documentations. If additional documentations are required, you're going to see a prompt to upload them directly within the app. Once uploaded, your application will resume review automatically. You can also opt in for push notifications so that Bright alerts you the moment there's an update. For more detailed updates or questions, tap Contact Support right from the loan application screen. And that's it. Keep checking your app regularly to stay informed. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials on using Bright. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.